Episode number 9, guys. Advanced market maker models. Okay. Now, everybody thinks they understand market maker models, and you have tons of guys on YouTube and everything. Nobody has talked about market maker models like this. Okay. And we're gonna get into what makes them even high probability. Okay, so there's different types of MMXMs. Okay, there's a range high to low or a range low to high, right? We've been over the ranges, right? A range is an MMXM, right? This is common knowledge, okay? Or external to internal range liquidity or internal to external range liquidity. Again, those are MMXMs. There will be a market maker model within those two variations, okay? And this is common, right? I have taught the ERL to IRL in my first course, and now it's mainstream that they're MMXMs. This now is what we're going to talk about here. Now watch this again take over the community and everyone starts looking at MMXMs with this example here. And this is a higher probability market maker model, okay? Lows that broke the highs and highs that broke the lows. This is what we are covering in this episode of the MMXM. We're not going to be touching on the other two, okay? Those are, you can find those on my YouTube. So these right here, okay, you have to reference the previous video of why it's important and how to identify these highs and lows, okay? So if you didn't watch that video for whatever reason, you need to make sure you watch it. And if you've slightly forgot it, go back, refresh your notes, whatever you need to do to ingrain it, because it's going to be foundational to this video, okay? You can use this both in alignment with institutional order flow and against the institutional order flow. In alignment with this, with institutional order flow, this is one of the most high probability fractals you will find in the market. It is a gold mine for high probability trades and market maker models. Counter to institutional order flow should only be considered by the advanced students. Now, this formation of the MMXM is going to be new to even the most advanced of ICT traders, so don't deprive yourself of learning and try jumping into the counter trend trade straight away, thinking you're advanced, okay? So here's an example, okay? Premium key level here, right? Short-term high just below the key level, okay? We trade up into the key level. This is the low that caused the break of this high, right? Your eye should start jumping to these levels now as a student of mine. This right here is a market maker sell model, right? From trading back to the low that broke the high, okay? Now, remember, okay, and this is why it's extremely advanced. You can catch two MMXMs. Now, if this is the move down was counter to the institutional order flow, don't take that in the beginning, guys. Focus on the order flow. But remember, lows that broke the highs are where true turtle soup forms. So this is also a market maker buy model. Okay, let's look at this example here. We have a hard time frame key level here defined by the old high. It is also buy side liquidity, right? External. And we have this here. So this high gets broken. So where should your eye immediately jump to, right? You guys should be trained to see this now. Your eye should jump to the low that broke the high, okay? Why? Because it's a draw on liquidity. So this right here is a market maker sell model. Buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. So let's look at this here on a lower time frame. High broken, low that broke the high into a key level. Market trades lower, change in the state of delivery. We close through the bodies of the highest up close candles, collection of up close candles. Right there, the delivery state has changed from bullish to bearish. We then get displacement, fair value gap, and we could short this down to the low that broke the high, which is a market maker sell model. Okay, now let's remember that low that broke the high is also a key level. It's a turtle soup level. So we go through here. The market then extends higher. We have a change in the state of delivery where the collection of down close candles, right, that runs out the stops. We close above the bodies there. We also form a fair value gap. Market trades into fair value gap here. Expands higher, closes above the down close candles, used as an order block. Again, down close candles get closed above, used as an order block, and you have a market maker buy model. So we've gone from market maker sell model to market maker buy model using one logic. Okay, let's look at another example here. Discount low, premium high, a low gets broken through here, okay, not considering this, broken through into a discount key level with the fair value gap. The market then where should your eye immediately go? Your eye should go to the high that caused the break of this low, right? That's where the stops are. And then the market eventually trades up higher into that with a market maker buy model. Higher probability market maker buy and sell models right here. You want to train your eye to see these highs that broke the lows and lows that broke the highs. And you'll be able to identify these, okay? And like I said, this is an advanced market maker model. It's one of my favorite fractals of the market maker model is with this narrative and framework. Okay, one more example. So remember this from the highs that broke the lows and lows that broke the highs episodes. High broken, this is the low that broke the high. We trade into a key level. We get candle closure here, right? So what do you see? Right, low that broke the high is a market maker sell model. Once we trade into the key level, we then close below the collection of up close candles here, change in the state of delivery. We trade back up higher into the change in the state of delivery with a fair value gap, and then we aggressively attack the low that broke the high, right? Guys, this right here, you really want to incorporate this into your trading. It is so powerful, okay, and effective. Okay, looking at a zoomed in version of this, you can see the little fair value gap here, changing the state of delivery, fair value gap, fair value gap, fair value gap, all holding, right, until we smash through the low that broke the high and complete the market maker sell model.